What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about Oprah and her 5 tips for success. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
Guys, if you are new here, consider subscribing because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you turn on the post notifications and you won't miss a thing. So guys, if you know Oprah, you know that that name is synonymous with success. She is just all over the map. She could be president of the United States, which is amazing. She is one of the most powerful women in the world. She has really just built her life on being a good person and helping others. So I really am excited to make this video because I personally love Oprah. She is the shit, excuse my language, but she's just been an inspiration to me and for so many other people for so long. So Oprah, I had to dedicate this one to you. So right before I jump into number 1, guys, I just want to ask that you smash that like button or that dislike button if you hate me, because it really helps the channel grow, so I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So tip number 1 from Oprah is to set boundaries. Now you need to set boundaries in all aspects of your life. In your personal life with toxic people, in your work life with negative coworkers and customers. Sometimes they can be unreasonable, so make sure you set boundaries. When it's family time, it's family time. When it's work time, it's work time. When it's time for your friends, it's time for your friends. So make sure you set boundaries, and especially those that want to come into your life and spew their toxicity, do not allow it. Number 2 is to live a truthful life. The truth shall set you free, as they say. Guys, you don't want to get caught up in lies. If you lie, it just turns into a spider web. It turns into a mountain. You get caught up in this trying to remember what you said, when you said it, how you said it, and it just snowballs into a disaster. And eventually the truth always comes to light. So even if it's going to hurt the other person, it is just so much more beneficial to be truthful. And even though it may cause pain, that pain will be so far less than if a lie comes out later. And that doesn't mean just in your personal life, but obviously in all aspects of your life. In your work, you don't want to lie to any one of your customers, anyone who's buying your product or service. You don't want to lie to family. You don't want to lie to your friends. So guys, just live a truthful life. The truth shall most certainly set you free. So I'm with you on that one, Oprah. Number 3 from Oprah is to touch lives every day. Help the people. In each and every video, I try to make you the best version of you, so I really try to live my life like that. I try to help as many people as I can, and this video format, the platform of YouTube itself, has really given us a space to connect, and has really allowed me to help as many people as I have. I really want to grow this thing, as big as we can possibly grow it. In all aspects of your life, personal life, business, just try to help as many people as you can, and the rest will take care of itself. So Oprah, ding ding ding. Number 3, nailed it. Number 4 from Oprah is to live your life to the fullest, and that can be interpreted in many ways. The way I interpret it is to not hold anything back. Go for your dreams, go for your aspirations, go for your goals. If you just sit dormant and don't try anything, you're gonna regret it for the rest of your life. So I would much rather have said, well, at least I tried, than what if. Live your life to your fullest, go on that dream vacation, make that YouTube channel, start that t-shirt line, do whatever it is for you. And with that being said, guys, don't be irresponsible about it. Do it within your means, do it within the safety of other people, ethically do it, obviously. I know I shouldn't have to explain that, but there's some people out there that may misinterpret it. So, number 4, Oprah, with you on that, my girl. And then number 5, which is such a key from Oprah, is to turn your wounds into wisdom. What do I mean by that? What I mean is you're gonna have failures in life. Things are gonna happen that cut you deep, aka give you a wound. Things are gonna happen. You're gonna make mistakes, but learn from it. Learn from those mistakes, learn from those failures, learn from those cuts, and don't do it again. Use those failures and turn them into wisdom to make wins out of them. There's a saying that says, I don't fail, I win or I learn. So use those failures as learning lessons, as stepping stones. Turn those wounds, those failures, into learning experiences, into wisdom. Alright? So number 5, Oprah, crushing it as always. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. So if you need a little refresher, I'm going to put the 5 tips on how you can be successful from Oprah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I will catch you in the next one. Signing off.